Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be solving this LeetCode problem called delete node from linked list present in array. So we are given with an integer nums and head of a linked list. Return the head of the modified linked list after removing all nodes from the linked list that have values that exist in nums. So our input is an array nums and the head of a linked list. We need to remove the elements which are present in the linked list which are also present in the nums. So let me explain you through whiteboard. So this is the input given for us. Nums is 1 2 3 and linked list is 1 2 3 4 5. So at first what we need to do is, so if one is present in the array, then one is present in the nums, then we should not include in the answer. 2 is present in the nums, we should not include it in the answer. 3 is present in the nums, we should not include it in the answer. So at last we need to return 4 5. We need to return head as this. Our linked list will be this 4 and 5. Sorry. As you can see, answer is 4 and 5. So how we can solve this problem is, consider the linked list like this: 1 2 3 4 and 5. At first we have two conditions here. What if the head is present in the linked list? Then what we are supposed to do, we will assign the head to head of next, head dot next. So as we all know, head contains two pointers. One is data and another one is pointer to the next variable. So if we assign, at first our head will be here. Let me take another pencil. So if one is present in the head, we will assign head to next one, head. And we will check if 2 is present in the nums array. If it is present, then we will assign the head to next element, to 3. And we will check if 3 is present in the nums array. Yes, it is present. Then we will assign head to next element, nothing but 4. If we see here, 4 is not present in the nums array, then we are good to go. And we will also check 5 here. If 5 is not present in the array, then we will add that to linked list. We won't modify anything. This is the first case. Let me take another example to explain you very clear. So this is our another example. So our linked list is 1 2 1 2 1 2. So if any element present in the mid of the linked list, then how we can remove? We can see with this example. At first we will check, our head will be this first element, and we will have another pointer called previous, which is pointing to null. At first we will modify head to next, because head is already present in the nums array. So our new head will become this one. So we will iterate from here to here, and our temp will be this one only. We will have another point temp here. Now what I'm going to do is, I will assign temp to temp dot next, as 2 is not present in the array. If we see here 1 is present in the array, then what we are supposed to do is, we will assign this next variable, this next variable to the previous, like this. Previous dot next is equal to temp dot next. When we encounter a variable which is already present in the array, then we will have this condition. Why? Because if we assign previous dot next to temp dot next, automatically this next connection will be removed without deleting also. And if it is not, if let's suppose if we are here, if we see here temp is not present in the array, then what we are supposed to do is, we will assign previous to this element, and we will assign temp to next element, like this. So let's implement Java solution for this. At first we have edge condition called head. If head is null, if head double equal to null, then we'll return null, or we can say head, saying it is not possible to remove. So our next condition is, what if the head element is already present in the nums array? Then we are supposed to move head to next element, head dot next, like this. So before doing that, I will take a set array, mm, like this. I will take a array set, sorry, hash set. I think S is capital letter. Set will store the type of integer, and let the name of the hash set be hs, equal to new hash set, and I'm going to add all the values from the nums array to hash set, hs dot. So hash set has a method called add, which will add the element, and it will receive the input called it will receive input which indicates the element which you are supposed to add into the hash set. So after adding hash set, now we will use hash set to compare the integers present in the linked list. So how we can do is, while head not equal to null, and so I'm going to run a while loop here. It will use it to find if the head element is already present in the hash set, then we will remove, like this. H hash set has another method called contains, which is used to compare, which is used to check whether the particular element is present in the hash set or not. So if the head element is already present in the hash set, we will move the head to head dot next. So I will take two variables, list node. I think list node is the class they define. Yes, list node temp equal to head, and list node previous equal to null. I discussed it earlier. Temp is used to iterate over the linked list, and previous is used to store the previous value of the linked list. So while temp not equal to null, we will take a while loop here. It will run until the last element. So remember, if the last element in the linked list will have a null pointer to the next. So when we move to last element, null pointer, we will come back out of the loop. So what we are supposed to check is, if temp dot hs dot contains, we need to use the contains method from hs to check whether the element is present in the hash set or not. Then prev dot next equal to temp dot next. So here what we are doing is, here we are removing the pointer. How is, we will assign the previous pointer dot next to the current pointer dot next. Else previous equal to next. At last we will move the temp pointer. At last we need to return the head of the linked list. We got some error here. Sorry. Previous equal to temp, not next. So it is passing sample test case. Let's submit this solution. So it is passing all the test cases. I will also post the Python solution in the comment section. Please check it out. Thanks for watching.